Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sreushi for the people who don't know me. So today I'm going to do my makeup inspired by Bipasha Basu. So further getting any late, let's get started. First we will start with the moisturizer. I am using Pond's Light Moisturizer. You can use any of your favorite moisturizer. So moisturizer is very important. It keeps your face hydrated. So yeah, moisturizer is very important. Don't skip this step. Now moving on to primer. I am using NY primer. You can use any primer. Primer is important because firstly it covers your open pores and it creates a extra layer between your skin and makeup, and it help your makeup stay on longer and some even out your skin tone. Now just take a little amount of it and just rub it onto your face. After applying your primer, you have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now for the foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my shade is 228 Soft Tan. Take a little amount of your foundation and just apply it all over your face in dotted motion. This is the way I am doing. And please don't forget to cover your neck because you don't want to look like a ghost. So yes, please don't forget to cover your neck. Now with the help of a beauty blender, just blend your foundation very well. Blend it in dabbing motion and not in rubbing motion. If you are not comfortable with beauty blender, you can also use brush, foundation brush or buffing brush, whatever you called. I am comfortable with beauty blender, so I am using it. Blend. Now it's time for concealer. Concealer is also very important because it hides your dark circles and any kind of spot or blemishes that visible on your skin. Apply it on your under eye, bridge of your nose, forehead, on your chin and some on your cupid bow. Now with the help of a beauty blender, I am blending it very well. You can use your finger or you can use a brush for blending it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Now I'm also using it as my eye primer, so I'm applying it on my eyelids.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Now it's very important to set your base. I am using Lakme Rose Powder for setting my base. You can use any kind of loose powder or compact powder. वाओ, कितनी खूबसूरत हूँ मैं. So now you can use beauty blender or either you can use brush. I am using brush to blend it. You can also use beauty blender. It's upon you.
I don't wanna miss
Now moving on to eyebrow, I am using Mars eyebrow powder. This has two shades, one is brown and one is black. And one good thing about this is that this comes with a tiny angular brush, which is very good. So I mix both of the color and apply it on my eyebrows and just fill in my eyebrows very lightly.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
For the eyes, I am using a dark brown shade from my Wet n Wild palette. I am using this shade for my outer corner of my eyes. Here I am using a stencil, but you can also use tape. I just can't find my tape, so I am using stencil. I am using it because it gives you such a good shape. So yeah.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
I'm using a transition shade from the same palette for my crease and apply it on my crease, and make sure you blend it very well and blend it very gently because you don't want any harsh line on your eyes.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
And now I'm using a black eyeshadow and apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. This black eyeshadow will give you a depth to your eyes, so this will give you a very good shape and very good look to your eyes.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Now with the help of a clear brush, I am blending it very well so that there will no harsh line on my eyes.
fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
From the same palette, I am using this very glittery shade for my eyelids. I am applying it on my eyelids. I am applying it with my fingertip, but you can also use a flat brush. Now take the black eyeshadow and apply it on your lower lash line and just smudge it slightly. Now from the same palette I am using a reddish kind of shade and apply it on my crease. not exactly on my crease, on my upper crease, so it gives you a good depth to your eyes.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
You guys can see my eyes look really good at this moment. Now I'm using this Lakme Iconic Kajal and apply it on my lower lash line or waterline.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And with the help of the brush, I will smudge it very slightly. I will also apply the kajal on my upper lash line. And curl your lash with this eyelash curler. Now I am using this Lakme Iconic waterproof mascara. This is very good mascara.
Miss a beat, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I will apply my eyelashes on the off camera cause it takes too much time, and I will give another tutorial on this. After applying your lashes, apply another coat of mascara. For contour, I am using a dark brown shade from the same palette and apply it on my cheeks. Contour your cheeks, your jawline, and obviously your nose.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm using my hands for contour my nose cause it gives better result. So yeah.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll
For blush, I'm using a pink shade for my blush. Now it's time for highlighter. As you guys know how much I love this part of the whole makeup thing, so I'm applying this on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on chins and cupid's bow, and on my brow bones.
want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
For lipstick, I am using Lakme Absolute 24 Hours in the shade 01. Currently this is one of my most favorite lipstick. This is absolutely matte lipstick and this will go very good with my outfit today. So this is my final look, the Bipasha Basu inspired look.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna